Hello and welcome back to the channel, DIY family. Today, we're diving into a project that brings beautiful bohemian texture into any room, a stunning macrame wall hanging. Macrame is more than just knotting, it's a mindful, calming craft. And the best part is, you only need to master a couple of basic knots to create something incredible. If you've been looking for an aesthetic, high-impact decor piece that you can make on a budget, you are in the right place. Grab your materials, a comfy seat, and let's start creating. Remember to hit that like button if you're ready to knot along with me. Before we start knotting, let's talk about materials. For this project, you will need a piece of driftwood or a wooden dowel rod. Mine is about 30 inches long. Next, you'll need macrame cord. I really recommend a 3mm single-strand cotton cord for beginners. It's so soft and easy on the hands. We'll be cutting 30 pieces of cord, each about 10 feet long. Yes, that sounds like a lot, but trust me, always cut more than you think you need. A measuring tape, sharp scissors, and a clothes rack or hook to hang your dowel are also essential. Go ahead and pause here to gather your supplies. Once everything is ready, we'll attach the cords. Our foundation is the lark's head knot. It's super simple. Take one 10-foot cord and fold it perfectly in half. Create a loop at the top. Now, place that loop under your dowel, then bring the two ends of the cord up and through the loop. Pull it nice and tight to secure the cord to the dowel. See how clean that looks? This knot forms that professional top edge of your piece. Now, just repeat this process until all 30 of your cords are attached to the dowel. Keep them snug, but not so tight that they bunch up. This consistent start is crucial for the final look. Okay, let's get into the main event, the square knot. This is the backbone of almost all macrame patterns. It's made of two parts, a left half knot and a right half knot. We will use 4 strands to create one knot. Take 4 adjacent strands. The 2 middle strands are your static filler cords. They just hang out. The outer 2 are your working cords. For the left half knot, take the left working cord and cross it over the 2 filler cords, making a sort of 4 shape. Then take the right working cord and pass it under the left working cord, under the filler cords, and up through the loop on the left side. Pull both working cords to tighten the knot at the top. For the right half knot, this time, start with the right working cord, crossing it over the 2 filler cords to make a backward 4. Take the left working cord, pass it under the right working cord, under the filler cords, and up through the loop on the right side. Pull tight. And just like that, you have completed your first square knot. Now we will use the square knot to create a simple diamond pattern. For row 1, create a row of square knots all the way across the dowel, leaving about an inch of space between each knot group. For row 2, we're going to stagger the knots to create that diamond effect. Skip the first 2 strands on the far left. Now start your square knot with the next 4 strands. Continue this across the row, always using 2 strands from the previous knot and 2 new strands. You can see how this creates a beautiful, open mesh effect. For row 3, simply repeat row 1, creating a solid line of square knots to complete the diamond shape. To add some beautiful detail, we'll incorporate the diagonal half-hitch knot, which is excellent for creating clean lines and curves. On the far left, take the very first cord and hold it diagonally down and to the right. This is your anchor cord. Now take the next cord, which is your working cord, and loop it around the anchor cord twice. Push the knot up snugly against the dowel. Repeat this with all the remaining cords, using that same anchor cord. Once the diagonal line reaches the center, start a new diagonal line from the right side, meeting the first line in the middle to form a perfect V shape. After completing your desired knot pattern, it's time for the fringe. Simply leave the remaining cord lengths hanging down naturally. Use your sharp scissors to trim the ends into an inverted V shape or a straight line, whatever suits your style. Here is a pro tip. Use a fine-tooth comb to gently brush out the individual cord strands at the bottom. This creates a soft, voluminous tassel effect that looks so professional. And that's it. Step back, admire your work, and find the perfect spot for your new macrame art. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I really hope this detailed tutorial helped you master the basics of macrame. If you created this piece, please share a picture on Instagram and tag me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out my other detailed DIY projects linked below. See you in the next video.